My name is Rahul and my partner name is Kailash. We are from 7th K. The project name is Flood Alarm. In 2016, in Chennai, people were suffered because of flood. So we make this alarm. Inside a copper cable inside this water, give some signal when the water level rises and touch the copper cable. So the circuit starts and the buzzer gives some sound and the LED light will blow. Thank you for all.